Yo, sorry I missed your call. Leave a message and I'll hit you back.
Hey, I'm kind of glad you didn't pick up. I kind of just called to hear your voice, so your voice recording was enough. I should hang up. What am I doing? So I feel kind of dumb, but I miss you.
Hello, Spicy Words. Hey, Mr. Spice, are you cooking some music? Spicy Words.
Kale ya chiamba nane ndi mutu ndi ya feel pain atitoto mumbombo nyangore ko shabana nne ujena koton angazila mtwana unjani ngoba mina ngamthanda maye inhliziyo yami yebuhlungu kodwa mina yenge foster again lo mtwana ungenza ukuthi mina yengifile deep utoba sweet lekere marasha pumbiluni rayela kule tsimuni ngomunga ngomu edeni tita bumbona kolila ngazosa todo mupfisa butungu ene utoba matale mara swine azviita chipona pato ya titipi ndingane ene uwanga mara butungu ndibunji mbiluni ndikokombelela ngori ndanifuna
Adhikare achiamba nane maifia we amakare ati todo mukakera nauti maifia we amakare ati todo achiamba nane maifia we amakare ndianifuna mufuno wanga ngarufuno na mbilu na moya wanga baby adhikale achambanane nidhikale nichambanane adhikale achiambanane